I am back. Okay, so sort of back, not really back, but Asian Meal Prep is not back yet, but I am part of Asian Meal Prep. So I am back on this channel and I am going to be embarking on a 12-week fat loss challenge, which I am calling the Just a Normal Asian Challenge. And let me explain a little bit about what has happened over the last 2 years that you haven't really heard from me, haven't uploaded any content on this, but yeah, this is it. I am embarking on a 12-week challenge and I'm going to document it. So, firstly, let me explain why I have called this challenge the Just a Normal Asian Challenge is because number one, we are Asians, right? And we live a completely different lifestyle compared to our Western counterparts. Our life is made up of lots of eating out. We work long hours. Society has very high expectations on us. We just live very differently. So, as a normal Asian, which is me, I feel like I am going to embark on this challenge as a regular person who is going to take care of their health in an Asian context. So, yes, just a normal Asian challenge. So, next up, let me explain as to why I'm embarking on this challenge. So, the last 2 years has been very trying for me. I actually suffered from depression after my physical fitness studio closed in 2022. And the big trigger for that is not just the studio closure, but I just felt like it was the end of a lot of things that I knew about myself. So part of my identity went away during that period, right? So the last 2 years has been very difficult for me. I was in a dark place, but I did seek help and I went through months of therapy to really understand what is going on, why I'm feeling that way, and how I can actually bounce back from it. So the last 2 years with the depression, I naturally prioritized my mental health, which means that my fitness and my physical health took a step back. So I wasn't working out consistently. I wasn't really taking care of my nutrition. I just ate whatever I felt like I wanted to eat. I didn't really gain a lot of weight, thankfully, but I do feel pretty unhealthy. And I feel like this would be the best time since the mental work is done, or at least it's still ongoing, but I'm in a better place. So I feel like this would be the best time to restart prioritizing my physical health. So that's reason number one. Reason number two, I really miss creating content, especially those Asian meal prep videos. I also miss prepping meals because, as you know, I'm not a chef. I just prep Asian meals for meal prep, right? So I really miss doing those videos and I really hope that this will give me the momentum to get started again. And I love it, right? So I do love creating all those content. It's just that I had a pretty hard time over the last 2 years and now that I'm back, I'm restarting with this challenge first. So once this challenge is done, I really hope that we can get back into the Asian meal prep videos. So what's going to happen during this challenge or how it's going to happen is I am basically going to work on a fat loss target. My goal is to really get back into being strong again, feeling healthy again, sleeping better, not waking up feeling tired. While I was going through depression, there were days where I wake up with no sense of direction, but that's a different thing. Now that I feel a lot better, I still do sometimes feel like I am so tired when I wake up. So I really want to work on that. So my goal is just really to feel better, to look better, and at the same time just be strong again and prioritize my nutrition while being Asian. So I am not planning to meal prep in this 12 weeks, so I'm still going to be eating out, except that I will be counting calories again. and I will be eating on a calorie deficit. I will make sure that I get my steps in, and getting my protein in as well. And of course, my strength training, because that's going to help me get stronger. So if you're here watching this, I really appreciate you being around and sticking around through Asian Meal Prep. I really hope that I can get back into the videos for you to start your Asian Meal Prep journey. But if you're watching this and you're thinking that, hey, I feel like I want to jump along on this, then leave me a comment, give me some words of motivation. This next 12 weeks that I'm going to be uploading my vlogs, it's going to be raw. There's no BS. I'm not selling anything. I'm just giving you 100% insight into what it's like to start prioritizing my physical health again. So the good thing is I have a background in personal training and strength and conditioning. I'm still a coach, so I know what I need to do to get back into things, but the accountability and the motivation always helps. So if you're here, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I will be uploading my day-to-day snippets on Instagram. So I've got my Instagram up here. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. So yes, guys, so the next 12 weeks is going to be awesome. If you're going to be following along, make sure you leave me a comment below. Let's motivate each other. And if you're going to post anything on Instagram, make sure you use the hashtag #JustAnotherAsianChallenge. And let's do this together. Yay!